Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make margarita cocktail step by step. Start by gathering ingredients and tools: 2 Oz tequila, 1 Oz lime juice, 1 Oz triple sec, ice, shaker, salt rim, and a glass. I will guide you through measuring, shaking, tasting, and presenting a balanced margarita with tips to adjust sweetness and strength for any occasion, and I'll share simple garnish ideas to finish with flair. We begin with ingredients and tools for a classic margarita, then balance, shake, and serve with confidence. Measure 2 Oz tequila, 1 Oz lime juice, 1 Oz triple sec, and adjust sweetener if desired. Use a shaker with ice and a fine strainer for a clean pour. I will explain salt rims, garnish lime wedges, and a simple frozen blend option to suit different tastes and occasions. Follow my pacing and you will nail it. Learn shaking technique and tasting steps to refine your margarita. Fill shaker with ice and ingredients, shake vigorously for about 15 seconds, then double strain into a glass with salt rim. Taste and adjust with 0. 5 Oz simple syrup or extra lime to balance acidity and sweetness. I will remind you about glassware choices and serving temperatures so your cocktail looks great and drinks smoothly for guests. Small tweaks make big differences in flavor and strength.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.